Hi everyone, Have you ever wondered if flowers can speak, if trees can whisper, or the very ground beneath your feet can tell where you're going before you stop? Oh, what's that? You want me to pick you? I couldn't possibly. Okay, so y'all know how when we're young, a lot of us have a very, very interesting and overactive imagination, and we start doing things in a certain way, letting our imagination influence everything around us, or just acting a little bit odd, as if we were como si fuéramos adultos prácticamente. Either imagining this fantastical world around us and acting as if we have magic and powers, or acting as if we're adults and we already know everything that there is to know. So there's this thing called 8th grade syndrome, or middle school sickness, or as the title of this video reads, Chunibyou. I used to have a very, very bad case of that when I was really, really young, but I don't think it's called Chunibyou when you're young. I think you just call it having an overactive imagination. I used to think that I could talk to trees and flowers, that there were little fairies hiding in leaves, that I could communicate with things inside of the forests or plants around me, and it made for a lot of interesting situations and a lot of really, really embarrassing videos. Oh my goodness. Recently, I rewatched the show Love Genevia and Other Delusions with Maze, and I oh god, I love the show. It's such a good show. I think it's beautiful. I love how cringy it is. I love the characters. I love the beautifully animated fight scenes. I think it's hilarious. Um but as I was watching the show, I had a little teeny tiny super small realization that oh dear that teeny tiny baby me wasn't the only one who experienced this delusion. I realized that when I was in 7th grade with my very small group of friends, we had a severely bad case of this. If I thought that talking to trees and pretending fairies could hear me when I was like 5 was bad, oh dear. It's really embarrassing, but it's also such a fond memory. Me and my friends had this insanely incredible magical world, and we'd go to it when we were asleep. Never when we were around each other, only when we were asleep. We'd go home and we'd go to sleep, and it was like this mix of My Little Pony and Fairy Tale, the anime, and oh god. We would get to school and be like, hey, I'm sorry I destroyed your castle. I wasn't feeling very well. Or like, why'd you take away my ability to teleport? You know we need that to fight the whatever, whatever. And like, half of it's blurred in my mind and the other half is painfully embarrassing, but also I don't talk to these people anymore, and god, I miss them. It was so insane, so cringy, and so unbelievably precious to me. I feel really bad for forgetting any of this even happened. There used to be a banished prince, a forgotten princess, a mage from a faraway land, a rogue warrior, and an angel of light. And I'm so glad that I still remember our character designs. There were even comics made in my old sketchbooks that I definitely have somewhere around here, though I'm never showing them. I apologize. I don't think I can handle that. Though, as embarrassing and nerve-wracking as it is to remember and realize all this, it's also all very precious to me. I wish I could get back into contact with the people that I did this with, because I realized I really, really miss them and I really want to know how they're doing. But life happens and it's okay. I'm just really happy I can remember, even though it does make me want to tear my brain out and throw it across the room. Uh, I'm happy, and I'm happy I got to share this with you guys as well. Let me know if you've ever experienced Chunibyou or had some sort of extreme imagination times. I would absolutely love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It helps out a lot, a lot, a lot. I am Purple Space Art on Instagram and Twitch. And yeah, thank you so much for everything. Have a great day. Remember to eat, drink water, and take a break. Bye!